Morning guys, so it is February 24th today. I'm just getting ready to edit the vlog from the last couple days because, you know, I'm still new at this, so my recording and editing and everything else is still a work in progress. But since I have time to edit my vlogs now, I will. So I didn't really finish out the vlog from yesterday. I need to work on spending time on my own in the evenings. Mornings are a little different because my sisters are usually out doing things in the morning. Like Ash has work most weekend mornings. Kaylee's got school during the week. Ash has school during the week, so they're both out the door in the mornings. So mornings are just the easiest to vlog in, and so I need to figure out how to sneak away in the evenings and continue working away down here. That was my evening. We didn't really do much last night. We have been tracking a severe storm that's supposed to be coming our way. However, it doesn't look like it's going to hit as bad as they were expecting, but that doesn't mean it's not going to be windy. I need to shower at some point today before I have to leave, and I want to work out today because I didn't yesterday, so I'm going to make up for that today. Okay, final thoughts on this before I go shower. I'm hot, I'm sweaty. Man, do I ever feel good after that. Besides tired, really freaking tired. I'll feel even better after my shower. But I need to do a cool down and then I'll shower. So I've now showered. I feel so much better than I did before. Sorry, I thought I just heard a tap on my thing. So yeah, I feel better now that I've showered, and I'm having a bit of a snack before I have to leave for the movies. I've got about an hour and a half before I have to leave, so I'm going to work on some self-help stuff that I keep putting off. Hey guys, so I have now left to go meet my friend at the movies. This is done on my phone camera because, well, it's raining out and this thing's got a little bit more protection than my actual camera. So I'm gonna use this for now. It is wet. I don't know if you can see the wet on my sunglasses, but it's raining. The wind's not too bad right now. It's not as bad as what they were calling for it to be. So I finally made it to the movie theater. I have not seen my friend yet, so I'm just gonna wait by the door and just wait and see. And if I don't hear from her by like 1:45,
then I will message her and see where she's at, because the show starts at 4, so I know I'm a little early, but the next bus would be getting me here, like down to the terminal for 4, and then it takes like 5 minutes to get across, so I caught the earlier bus. Oh my goodness, my hair is out of hat on, you know that, so now my hair is all messy. So we're done the movie. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. It was so cute. It had me laughing from start to finish. Oh my god. Also made me cry. And I'm walking in water. But oh my god, it was so good. You can't really see the weather going on around me, but we are getting some snow squalls. Looks like it's coming in again. But it was really good. I enjoyed my day, my time out. I even have popcorn left, which is not something that last time I went to the theater I was able to say. As you probably know, well, I don't think I've mentioned it in the vlogs yet. I've been working on a weight loss thing, and before all of this had started, I'd go to the movies and I'd down the entire bag of popcorn, the drink, and whatever chocolate that I had. Well, I have half a bag of popcorn left, I have chocolate left, I've got pop left. I also had brought chocolate with me just in case, and I didn't touch that. So it was a good night. My friend was only like 5 minutes later than when I was last vlogging, so she was on time. It was so nice. I got to meet a couple of her friends, and it was just a fun time out with friends. I don't get out often. I don't have a lot of money to get out, so I'm sorry, it's so pretty out here. Winter is one of my favorite seasons. But it's cold, but it's not overly cold. I can actually stand to be outside and recording without my fingers freezing. I'm gonna end the vlog here, so I will see everybody tomorrow.